honestly. Oh, here we go. Dirty chai. Hey, David. What is the pickup counter? Isn't it here?
Oh, this is it. That's what it is.
What?
This is someone's pickup.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so you...
Oh, here it is. Here it is. Oh, yeah.
Excellent choice, David. She's talking to you.
Right away.
Thank you.
You can find more details in the Art Shopping app.
I'm sorry for not tipping you. I just don't really trust you. Wait, did I say sorry for tipping you or sorry for not tipping you?
Sorry for not tipping.
Yeah, I did. Okay.
Oh, mine's over there.
Oh.
Excellent choice, Sarah.
Oh my god, it's got eyes. Oh, that's creepy.
The store staff will refill Victor's milk shortly. Please ask me to
Yes.
So I've got Amanda doing mine, you've got Jarvis doing mine.
Oh, Jarvis.
I told you.
No, you do it.
What did I tell you?
It's like no, it's like okay. I think you know.
Yeah, what if I just grabbed it?
We got hers.
Just be like, mine.
But you know. Okay. So just read the one. We'll add it.
let me continue.
Yeah. That wasn't even the drink.
My one has an eye patch.
Try it.
Oh.
Yo, it's like it's open.
Humans are actually much faster at this. So far, like AI, not that great. Oh, look, it does the tilt. Oh, wow. It does latte art better than I do. Damn. It didn't fill the cup.
Humans do that too.
David, your dirty chai latte is ready. Hope you like the coffee I made.
Thanks.